In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the finance overview in HoneyBook, Income Summary 2026. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and going to honeybook.com. This is where you'll access your account and all your business tools in one place. Once the homepage loads, sign into your HoneyBook account. Enter your login details. And if you're prompted for security verification, like a code sent to your device, go ahead and complete that to keep your account secure. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It gives you a quick snapshot of your projects, tasks, and any immediate items that might need attention. For this walkthrough, we're heading to your finances, so we won't spend long here. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical navigation bar. This is your main menu for everything in HoneyBook. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Knowing where things live here will save you time later. Look for the Finance section in this sidebar, click Finance, and from the options that appear, select Overview. This takes you to the core financial hub for your account. The Overview page gives you a clean, high-level picture of your numbers, so you can quickly gauge how your business is doing. Front and center, you'll see your cash flow. This is where you can review how money is moving in and out over time. You'll typically see totals for what's been paid, what's pending, and any upcoming or outstanding amounts. Use this view to understand trends, spot seasonal patterns, and identify if collections need attention. If there are date ranges or filters available, adjust them to match the period you want to analyze, like year to date or a specific quarter, so you're getting the most relevant snapshot for your Income Summary 2026. Below or alongside that, look for HoneyBook payments. This area focuses on payments processed through HoneyBook, giving you clarity on what's been completed, what's processing, and what might require follow-up. It's also tied into your financial tracker, which helps you keep tabs on invoices and payment activity in one place. If you see any labels or color coding, use those to quickly distinguish statuses at a glance. As you review, make sure the currency and time settings reflect your business setup. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, confirm you're viewing the correct one. And as a best practice, check this overview regularly so you can catch issues early and keep your cash flow healthy. That's it. Now you know exactly how to view the finance overview in HoneyBook and understand your income summary for 2026.